Welcome back. With prices rising and paychecks lagging, it's time for real strategies, not just side hustles, but powerful moves that can change your financial future. We'll cover everything from spotting the next big crypto, to smart stock picks, to unconventional finance secrets the wealthy use. These are actionable steps you can start researching and using right away. Stick around for the final tip. It could seriously accelerate your earnings with minimal effort. Let's dive into the 5 smartest ways to make money in 2025. The real opportunity? Researching emerging cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects with real-world utility. Ignore the hype. Focus on fundamentals. What problem does the project solve? Who's behind it? Is the white paper clear and credible? Look for projects in sectors like decentralized finance or NFTs expanding into gaming and digital identity. A strong, active community on platforms like Discord or X is a good sign. Don't just browse the top 100 coins, dig deeper on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and follow reputable analysts for trends. Tokenomics matter. What's the total supply? Is there a burn mechanism? Are founders holding too much? Once you find a promising project, use dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly to smooth out volatility. Pay attention to market cycles, especially after Bitcoin halving events. 2025 could see major momentum. Security is crucial. Use a hardware wallet for long-term holding, and never share your seed phrase. Watch out for scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always have an exit strategy. Decide your profit targets and stick to them. Crypto isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes research, discipline, and a strong stomach for volatility. But if you're willing to put in the work, the potential rewards in 2025 are huge. Be smart, patient, and always informed. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify your crypto holdings. Don't bet everything on one coin. Stay updated on regulatory changes. They can impact the market overnight. Use two-factor authentication on all your accounts. Consider setting up price alerts to monitor your investments. Take profits along the way. Don't get greedy. Learn from past cycles. History often repeats itself in crypto. Join online communities to share insights and stay ahead of trends. Remember, the best investors are always learning. Start small, scale up as you gain confidence. 2025 could be your year, if you play it smart. Let's move to the next strategy. Next up, stock market investing. It's still the most reliable way to build wealth. In 2025, go beyond index funds. Look for growth stocks and ETFs in sectors like AI, renewable energy, biotech, and cybersecurity. Identify companies leading innovation, read their annual reports, check for consistent revenue growth, and listen to earnings calls for real insights. If picking stocks feels overwhelming, thematic ETFs are your friend. They let you invest in entire trends, like electric vehicles or clean energy, without betting on a single company. Always check the ETF's expense ratio and holdings before investing. Consider the GARP strategy. Look for companies with solid growth prospects at reasonable valuations. Don't ignore international markets. Emerging economies offer big growth potential, but come with higher volatility. Diversification is key. Don't put all your money in one sector or country. Invest in what you understand. Don't chase hype or social media tips. Build conviction in your picks, and be ready to hold through ups and downs. The biggest gains come to patient investors. Reinvest your dividends for compounding growth. Set clear goals, and review your portfolio regularly. Use limit orders to control your entry and exit points. Stay updated on market trends and news. Don't panic during market dips. See them as buying opportunities. Avoid emotional decisions. Stick to your strategy. Consider dollar cost averaging for stocks too. Use tax-advantaged accounts to maximize returns. Learn from successful investors. Study their strategies. Keep fees low to boost your long-term gains. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Start now. The best time to invest is always today. Let's talk about real estate next. Ready for strategy 3? Real estate has made more millionaires than any other asset, but you don't need a huge down payment to get started. Enter real estate crowdfunding. Invest in large property deals with just a few hundred or $1,000. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul pool money from many investors to fund projects like apartment complexes or shopping centers. You can choose equity investments, higher risk, higher return, or debt investments, safer, steady interest. Equity means you share in rental income and property appreciation. Debt means you act like the bank and get regular interest payments. Crowdfunding lets you diversify across multiple properties and sectors, reducing risk compared to owning a single rental. REITs make it even easier, giving you exposure to a portfolio of properties with one investment. Real estate is a long-term, illiquid investment. Expect your money to be tied up for 3 to 10 years. Always research the platform and the deal sponsor's track record. Watch out for fees. They can eat into your returns. Focus on in-demand sectors like multifamily housing and industrial real estate. Compare deals and platforms before investing. Read all documentation carefully. Understand the risks and timelines. Diversify your real estate investments just like your stocks. Don't invest money you might need soon. Use real estate to balance your overall portfolio. Stay updated on market trends in different cities. Consider tax implications of your investments. Real estate crowdfunding is a game changer for everyday investors. Start small, learn as you go. Let's move to a more unconventional strategy. Ready for something different? Here's the car loan arbitrage secret. Here's a strategy most people overlook: car loan arbitrage. If you can secure a car loan at 0.2% interest, often offered by manufacturers, don't pay cash for the car. Instead, take the loan and invest your cash in something earning a higher return, like a high-yield savings account or treasury bond. For example, finance $25,000 at 0.9% and invest that $25,000 at 5%. You pocket the difference. Over 5 years, that's thousands in profit for simply using the bank's money. Plus, making on-time payments builds your credit score, unlocking better rates on future loans. But this only works if you have the cash on hand and the discipline not to touch it. Don't use this to buy a car you can't afford. Only buy cars with strong resale value to minimize depreciation. Read the loan's fine print, avoid prepayment penalties. This strategy isn't for everyone. You need excellent credit to qualify for low rates. If your rate is above 2%, skip this approach. The goal is to turn a liability into an income-generating asset. Use this method to build credit and grow your savings at the same time. Always have a backup plan in case your investments underperform. Don't risk your emergency fund. Track your returns and adjust if rates change. This is a smart move for disciplined savers. Leverage the system to your advantage. Let's wrap up with some top finance secrets for passive income. Ready for the final strategy? Here's how to accelerate your wealth in 2025. Let's go. Time for the most powerful passive income secrets to accelerate your wealth in 2025. First, make your emergency fund work for you. Move it to a high-yield savings account or money market fund for much higher interest. Next, master credit card rewards. Use cards with big sign-up bonuses for planned expenses, pay in full every month, and rack up free cash or travel. Don't spend more, just get rewarded for what you already buy. Third, focus on dividend growth investing. Buy stocks that consistently raise their dividends, reinvest them, and watch your passive income snowball. Look for dividend aristocrats or dividend kings for reliability. Fourth, create and sell a digital product, an ebook, course, or template. Build it once, sell it forever, and automate the process for true passive income. The creator economy is booming. Monetize your knowledge or skills. Fifth, consider securities-based lending. Borrow against your investment portfolio at low rates to access cash without selling your stocks. Use this for new investments or big purchases, but be cautious. Market drops can trigger margin calls. These strategies are about optimizing every dollar and seeing opportunities where others see expenses. Even implementing one or two can create new streams of passive income. Automate your savings and investments for consistency. Track your progress and adjust as needed. Use technology to simplify and scale your efforts. Network with others to learn new tricks and stay motivated. Stay disciplined. Avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. Reinvest your passive income to accelerate compounding. Set clear financial goals and review them regularly. Diversify your passive income sources for stability. Keep learning and adapting to new opportunities. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Let's wrap up with your next steps. Here's how to take action. That's 5 smart, actionable ways to make more money in 2025. We covered crypto, stocks, real estate crowdfunding, car loan arbitrage, and powerful passive income secrets. The goal: work smarter, not harder, and make your money work